Hello everyone and good day. So today I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic. For those of you na mahilig mag-edit ng photo and ng images, this session will really help you understand how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic. Alright? So the first thing we need to do, if you have Creative Cloud Desktop installed in your computer, you just need to open that application. So in my case, I already opened this window. So here it will show the installed applications in our computer now. And then we'll open Lightroom. Right. So right now, itong image na nakalagay dito, na nakikita niyo sa screen, ito yung i-edit natin na photo. No? But first, if you want to use an image, let's say nag-capture kayo ng image using your phone or using a DSLR camera, so the first thing you need to do is to import it through Adobe Lightroom. So we can do it by going to File and then import photos and videos. After you select that option, it will ask you to select a source, and then you should enter lang or select kung ano yung source ng file kung saan nyo siya gagamitin. Alright? So once you selected the image, you just need to select yung import. Then automatically, Lightroom will capture or will process that image, and then it will be added into the canvas like this. No? Alright. So since I already added the image that we will be editing, just wanted to show you yung mga functionalities inside Adobe Lightroom. No? So here, if I go so right now kasi on the right side, we're on the library tab, no? And then if I go to develop, yan, makita natin yung options sa right side. So we have here the color, then the exposure, highlights. No? This is the tool that we'll be exploring para makita natin kung paano yung tamang blending para sa image na i-edit natin. Alright? So let's say I want to edit this image. No? So basically, I can play around with these options. No? So let's say I want to increase the temp. No? So you will notice meron siyang lines, color lines sa taas, the histogram. So nakaka-capture din kasi ni Lightroom kung ano yung mga edits na ginagawa natin to our chart. Right? So, yeah. So let's say I want to increase the temp. This is the temp of the image, and then yeah. Pwede natin siyang i-mix. Actually, it depends on your preference naman kung anong gusto nyo ma-achieve sa image. No? And then of course, the exposure. Yan, pwede natin siyang increase or i-decrease depending on your requirement. Yan. And then the contrast, para gusto natin nagko-contrast yung image and yung effects niya. Yan. And the highlights. Yan. Yung highlights para makita yung mga shades. And then shadows. So if you will notice, kasi kay Photoshop, medyo limited yung functionality na in terms of editing yung brightness and contrast. No? Kasi Lightroom talagang advisable gamitin if you want to play around with the colors. No? Kasi there's a lot of options na we can use to achieve our desired photo. Okay? Ayan. So the whites. Naman under presence, we can play around with the texture. Ayan, gusto natin medyo blurred. Gusto ba natin kita yung shades niya. Ayan, and then the clarity. Ayan. So if you're a beginner, you can play around naman muna with this tool or with these tools na meron tayo kay Lightroom. Very straightforward naman siya how to use it kasi you just drag lang kung ano yung gusto nyong. Actually ako, normally pag nagka-capture ng image, nilalaro ko yung mga color tone. Tapos until ma-achieve ko yung gusto kong mix ng colors, right? Yeah, so the saturation. If gusto naman medyo pink yung tint niya, you can increase it. Right? Tapos on the left side, meron tayong presets. So once kumbaga, yung presets, ito yung mga built-in presets na meron kay Lightroom. So if I select this, automatic say itong red. If I select this, automatic itong develop options natin. Itong mga tools on the right side, automatic mapapalitan siya. Depending kung anong pinili natin preset. So it allows us to speed up the process. If meron tayong gusto na available presets na gusto natin gamitin, no? Pwede natin siyang actually gawin. Yan. Pero, ayan. So, in my case, ayan. Nakikita nyo na if I select this yellow, nagbabago yung some changes. That's something you want to explore din. Pero let's go back, no? Yung sa akin kasi gusto ko medyo nakafocus kay dog. Sa dog natin yung subject. Tapos, adjust lang natin yung image, yung color ng image. Yan. Exposure. Yan. Tapos the highlights. This. Tapos, highlights. Vibrant. Ito, important din yung vibrance. Kasi siya nagsiset ng tone. Alright, I think I'm good with this editing. No? So once we figured out kung ano yung mga gusto nating i-implement for this image, we can export it. No? We also have the option for the tone curve. Ayan, we can play around with the highlights. And if you want to further edit pa yung image natin, ayan, may tayong option to HSL color. Pero since I'm good now with these options na pinakita ko sa inyo, yan. So I can export this image directly to Lightroom. Yan, ayan. So what I'll do, I can go to File, then Export. Ayan, tapos it will ask you to add a location kung kailan natin siya i-add. So yun, tapos export natin siya. Ayan. Then yan, if I go to that folder, here, and then here's the original image. Let's compare, no? So ito yung original image natin before we edit. Yan, ganyan siya. And then here's what we came up. Diba? So here's original image, medyo brighten yung style niya or yung shade niya. And then dun sa edit na ginawa natin, I make sure na nakafocus dun sa subject. Yung, para at least panaitan ng audience natin, uy, ang ganda ng parang lighting ng dog. Kasi siya naman yung importante dito, siya yung pinaka-main subject na. So, yep. So, basically, that's how we edit a photo using Lightroom. I suggest if you have time, you can play around with your photos. Kung mahilig kayo mag-picture ng mga place or yung mga Instagram users dyan, di ba? If you love to capture moments using your phone, yan, you can use Lightroom to further customize or make edits with your images. No? So, yeah. So, that's all for today. I hope that you learned something new. And thank you for watching the video.